Of course, we all love to buy products that are tailored to our specific wants and needs, but the idea of a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle seems almost impossible. But British automaker Bentley is going bespoke to the point of excess, and the automaker has recently announced that it can now offer enough configurations to create a uniquely custom Bentley for every person on Earth. And then every person on Earth again. And then again. You get the idea. Bentley's Mulliner division has been tasked with developing customized options for buyers of the brand's Continental GT and Continental GT Convertible. And those placing an order can configure their ride to an extreme degree. In fact, Bentley claims they can offer an eye-popping 46 billion different configurations. To start, the company recently expanded its color palette and can offer any of the color options on trim and exterior parts in different glosses and finishes. As an example, says CarScoops, colored accents can be applied to the wing mirrors, the bumpers, the doors, and the wheels. And speaking of wheels, you have some choices there too. The report says spokes and pockets of the wheels can be configured in contrasting colors, or pinstripes can be added around the circumference of the rim. Supporting this effort is Bentley's online car configurator, which displays additional fabrics and color choices for the interior seating and finishes for surfaces, as well as an array of optional upgrades. While the physical toll might be decision fatigue, what's the financial one? Well, Bentley's Continental GT starts north of $242,000. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.